Hi Jyoti.
Hello, sir.
Jyoti, why should I hire you for this job profile?
Honestly, I possess all the skills and experiences that you're looking for, and I'm pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job profile.
You might be having your own answers for this question. But have you ever thought why this question is so much common in almost every interviews? Because all they wanted to know is how can you assist them to get boost in their profit slabs? And how can you multiply their growth with the help of your skills and abilities? And then boom, you realize that you are a Careerera certified candidate with post-graduation in digital marketing. And now all game is yours. Careerera is offering post-graduation program in digital marketing, keeping in mind that India has world's second biggest internet population and all set to become double by 2022. That's how digital marketing is about to become the king of all the marketing segments. Study says that in coming years, almost 90% of businesses gonna marketize themselves digitally. And a high conversion rate means a higher revenue for the businesses with a strong online presence. According to the Google, companies using digital marketing strategies have 8.2 times better revenue growth expectancy. Digital marketing course offered by Careerera will make you aware about reality behind the stage and also will prepare you for the future ahead in the field of digital marketing. Not only this, there are so many segments in digital marketing such as SEO, an SEM specialist, video and audio production, email marketing specialist, bot developer, social media marketer, user experience designer, content strategist, digital marketing manager. Enroll now. Contact us on these details. And to know more about these career-oriented courses, do subscribe us here and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you never miss an update from Careerera.